Hey everybody, I am using a eye makeup remover to remove my eye makeup, and after that I am going to cleanse my face with my cleanser. Okay, once you cleanse your face, you want to make sure you get all the dirt off of your face. This is going to soften my skin, cleanse it really good and without drying it out. The next thing I'm going to do is use my eye makeup remover to put the makeup off my lips. So I'm also using a retinol to help with the aging process. I am a woman of a mature age, and so I love retinol. It helps with the aging process. It helps reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Yes, it's a must-have for me, okay? Help your girl reduce the signs of aging as much as possible. And then I'm going to use a facial milk. My facial milk helps moisturize my skin because retinol is known for drying the skin. So I make sure I'm very hydrated. The next thing I'm going to use is it's my firming serum. Oh, I love it. It helps reduce the wrinkles under my neck, on my cheeks, on my chin. Yes, it's a must-have, okay? It is an absolute must-have, okay? So my next thing is my night cream. Gotta have a night cream. This night cream has capsulated retinol in there, and oh my God, it is also going to help with the aging process, and it's also evening my complexion and relaxing me at night. And the last thing that I am going to do for my face is I am going to put on an eye cream. Oh, I love my eye cream. Helps with puffiness and dark circles. Yes, that's right. I'm going to say good night.